So this is the instruction video for the disassembly of the Bushmaster MK18 HPA build, and I also will show you how to put it back together, of course. You need this little Allen key, something to put the lock pin out, and later on another small Allen key. So first we take the front pin out. There we go. And now you can already see the internal part of this Bushmaster build with the HPA engine and the hop-up unit and two 3D printed parts that make sure that everything is aligned in the upper receiver. So the first thing you do is take your small Allen key, and then here at the end on both sides are little screws. Here you can see one of them. You put your Allen key in there, then turn it 1.5 times. Also do it for the other side. Put it in 1/2, second half, 3 halves. That's enough. And now you can slide the whole piece out like this. And here you can see it is the back 3D printed part that stays on all the time, and the front part we're going to remove now. And you see there are two screws, one on the bottom, but you need to get it loose from this side, and one here on the top. So I get another Allen key. That's one. And now the other side. This is a long one, so it takes a bit more time. So that's out also. Now you can just put both the parts off. Then you have to pay attention, because here, when you put the hop-up unit off, you'll already see it. There are spacer rings, so I can get the distance between the point of the nozzle and the beginning part of the bucking exactly right. So count them or don't lose them. So check here if there are no spacer shimming rings attached to this side. They're all off. They're all on this part. So now you can change the barrel or change the bucking, whatever you want to do. Now, how to put it back together? The first thing you check is that the screws on the back, put it in, are so far turned in that this is still flush, so they don't stick out like that. Also check it for the other side. So I turn them in and just feel that they're not sticking out. Here's a close-up. You can see it's just flush to the sidewall of the 3D printed part. Then you put the front part back together, put this in, slide the hop-up unit on, and then put it all in here. Slide it together and you check if the sides connect. Well, they do for now. So then put the screws back in, the small one on the top side first. Just turn until you feel a little bit of resistance, not much. And then the other side on the bottom, that's the long one. check if the pieces are connected good together. Maybe here's some space, but that's no problem. It's very tight here. Lay it down again. Get your upper receiver. And slide it in like this, all the way up to the front. Then take your Allen key again, and then in the back put Allen key in and make 1.5 turn. So for the other side, 1/2, 2 halves, 3. That's more than enough. And then you check, but it's all very firm inside. Then put first the back in, make sure that there are no electrical wires sticking out. No. Take the lock pin. And there you have it, the Bushmaster build all ready to play again.